Hi there. So, we have made a traveling AI chat service which solves all your queries about traveling and helps you to understand better about traveling and the culture of other countries or regions. You can also ask this model about the culture and traditions, and it will provide you all the answers. So, let's take a look at what technologies we have used. We've used Next.js for the front end, Material UI for styling, Vercel for hosting, and Grok API to access the Llama model, Llama 3.1, which we have used to make this chatbot. The feature this chat service offers are you can ask it anything about travel and culture, and it will provide you with information on destination, culture experiences, etc. It also has wonderful text formatting, and you can very easily understand the response of the model, which is usually not formatted. It also keeps track of your all the messages in the current chat, and it can make it more interactive, and you'll feel like you're talking to a human basically. So there are some limitations of this service, which are that the knowledge is limited to 2022, and we plan to improve it in the later versions. There are many improvements that can be made in this chatbot, and some of them are we can implement RAG to make the model up to date and more straightforward. Also, we can connect it to Firebase to give user more personalized experience. And the benefits for investors. It can be a game changer for traveling agencies and websites and would help increasing traffic on websites related to traveling while providing them knowledge and better experience. So it will help in a more help the websites to gain more customers and stuff. Our future vision is to make this bot so advanced that it helps in all the queries from signing up to buying tickets and booking accommodations. And we aim to be the ultimate travel companion. So thank you for watching this presentation, and now we'll take a look at our bot. So this is the website, and let's go straight to the bot. So yeah, we'll ask it a question and basically see how it answers. So we had asked it about the cool places to travel during summer break, and it has answered it in a very proper manner, and you can see that the text is formatted in a pretty good way. So this was our chat model, and I hope you enjoyed it.